Howdy Fix My Housers, it's Ian. If you've watched my other Ikea bathroom vanity video, you're going to like this one a lot. Let's get right to it. So the reason I like using these Ikea bathroom vanities is because everything comes all in one kit. It's probably going to be 1 or 2 boxes, and they are flat packs, and you do have to put them together. And keep in mind the Ikea cabinets most of the time are particle board. But those are the downsides. The upsides is everything's all in one pack. So here's the unit. This is the cabinet, this is the sink, this is the faucet. This all comes together for this one price right here of $315, at least in the Midwest. This is what it looks like completely installed. Real nice, sliding drawers. You can choose different fronts if you want to. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. What's included. So we're going to click on what's included. And this shows you what you get for this price. You get the drawer fronts, the cabinet, the handles of the cabinet, the faucet, the very basic plumbing, the trap, and the piece coming off of the sink, the strainer going into the trap here, and then this connects to your standard PVC plumbing, and the sink right here. So in my experience, the sink and the plumbing and the faucet all in one box, and then the cabinet is all flat packed in one box. So that's what I like about this. You know, everything's going to fit perfectly as opposed to trying to fit one sink onto one cabinet, 2 different manufacturers, etc. That's what I like. Let's go back to here. There's a whole lot of them right here. I'm just on the Ikea US site. So all of these shown here are just the cabinet coming with the sink and all of the plumbing. All kinds of configurations, etc., etc., etc. If you're in the market for a bathroom vanity, I hope this helps. Check out more videos right up here. Take care.